Welcome back, my friends, to the Zest for 1 or 2. Today we are making the lemon curd. Now this lemon curd is so delicious. It's sweet, but it also has a little bite. It's kind of like Monsieur Brad Pitt from Interview with the Vampire. You know, it's a sweet, sweet soul, but if it gets too hungry, it also has a little bite to it, you know? It doesn't want to hurt anybody, trust me. It wants to stay on your good side and be a nice little boy. You mix your eggs up real nice, you get them with your sugars, put this on a double boiler, get it all nice and smooth with the rest of the ingredients, and voila, you're going to have yourself a good time and make some lemon curd that is smooth and velvety. To finish, spank it with some butter, cover with saran wrap and put it in the fridge for whenever you want to enjoy. Have fun, my friends.